Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Malji. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will see the team of letters which makes the long A sound. Let's see the team of letters which makes the long A sound.
AI used in the middle of the word makes a long A sound as like in pain, rain, fail, save.
When we hear A sound at the end of the word, we use AY like day, say, may, way. We use the magic E rule. Here the magic E appears at the end of the word which makes the A to say its letter name. Like in cake, bake, make, take. And EIGH also makes the long A sound like ate, neighbor, way, sleigh. Thanks for watching and see you next time with a new topic.